Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with PagerDuty, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with PagerDuty, log in to your PagerDuty account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Reports tab in the main menu. Select the budgeting option from the drop-down list. Review the default budget template provided by PagerDuty. If needed, create a new budget by clicking on the Create New Budget button. Fill in the required information, such as budget name and effective dates. Set your budget categories based on your organizational needs. Enter projected expenses for each category. Use historical data to inform your estimates, ensuring accuracy. Next, save your new budget by clicking on the Save button. To monitor your budget, return to the Reports tab. Select Budget Overview to see a summary of your budget performance. Review any variances between projected and actual expenses. Adjust your budget categories as necessary by clicking on Edit. Communicate any changes to your team to keep everyone informed. Make use of the analysis feature to gain deeper insights into spending patterns. Regularly update your budget to reflect any unforeseen expenses or changes in priorities. Set reminders for periodic reviews to ensure you stay on track. Utilize PagerDuty's integration options for expense tracking if needed. Finally, foster a culture of accountability by sharing budget reports with stakeholders. By following these steps, you'll effectively manage your budget with PagerDuty. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.